Hi there. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Marantz Professional Pod Pack 1. It's a USB mic, and you also get a stand and a USB cable, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. There we go. Let's see that. Right, let's have a look. So we have got the clamp for the stand, the microphone stand, which is your kind of standard. It's all tied up. Oh, it's just really good, isn't it? Right, there we go. A bit unnecessary. Right. So you got your stand and mic with adjustable. Ooh, that's tight. Yeah. That is pretty tight. It doesn't seem to have a adjuster there. No, not to worry. Right, there's your arm, and then hopefully we've got a USB cable and microphone itself and instructions and another booklet. Right, so on the right there. Right, what's that? Pop user guide. Right, box contents. Right, I'll go to that. Right, so let's have a look. So yeah, it's got a nice look at it. Marantz Professional Pod Pack. So that is the main mic. Obviously all metal. There's no buttons on it, there's no lights, it's just straightforward. And this is a cardboard. Yeah. Yeah, it's a cardioid mic. I can't remember what the. It doesn't actually say very much on the box at all, does it? Warranty. And right, here we go. Yeah, it's cardioid back electric condenser mic. Frequency response is 20 to 17,000 hertz. Output is plus or minus 30. Self noise, whatever that is. Signal to noise ratio 75 dB, and power is USB. Polar pattern. And that is pretty much it. That's just warranty, and that's what we're getting. Right, so let's put it together and have a look. Right, so here I am, got it set up, got the stand set up and the mic, got it connected to my USB hub, got my Fusion headphones on to monitor, so yeah, it's not working because I forgot to set up the right. That's better. I can monitor myself through my headphones. Right, yeah. So got it set up. You can obviously either use it up or down, depending on what you want. And this springs on this are really cool, as you can see, really stiff. There's no way to tighten it, so they've made the springs really strong compared to one of the other stands I've got. It's really good, yeah. So I've got this about 9 inches away, and the sound is really good. It's not picking up any background noise, and it's quite a nice kind of mellow sound. There's a wee bit of latency obviously on the monitoring, but you get that with everything. So overall pretty good. I got this off Amazon for £45, and considering you get the stand as well, I think that's pretty good. It's straightforward. There's no buttons, there's no lights. Just plug it into your USB interface or your PC, Mac, whatever, and then just select USB as your input, and whatever you want to use as your output. Obviously headphones are the best, so you're not getting any feedback from speakers. Like I said, overall pretty good, certainly for the money. And so I'm going to do some more recording. I'm going to do next video is I got some PreSonus 3.5 Eris speakers, so I'm going to do a kind of quick video. They've already been unboxed and I've got them up in the studio. So I'm going to use that, use the mic for that, and do a kind of full review of those. And those initial thoughts are brilliant, and it's definitely worth getting the Bluetooth version, because it's been brilliant. No cables, no interface. I mean, you can connect everything up to them. But like I said, I switched it to Bluetooth, as the actual they were actually louder, rather than going through the audio interface. They were actually much louder through Bluetooth for some reason. Who knows? Yeah, like I said, very impressed so far with the Marantz as a first impression. Like I said, this is me just testing it for the very first time after doing the unboxing. So like I said, I'll leave a link in the description for Amazon, and I think it's probably it's normally kind of retailing for about 50, so I think Amazon are about £5 cheaper, but yeah, definitely worth if you're just wanting it for this type of work, podcasts, voicing over YouTube videos, or recording ebooks or whatever, then yeah, I mean, you can't really go wrong. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, David Thom Creations, and see you in the next video.